High above the Earth, amidst the sea of man-made satellites and space debris, orbits an enigmatic object that has puzzled scientists, researchers, and conspiracy theorists for decades. Known as the Black Knight satellite, this mysterious entity is believed by some to be of extraterrestrial origin, silently observing humanity for over 13,000 years. But is it really an ancient alien probe, or just a case of mistaken identity fueled by coincidence and speculation? The origins of the legend. The story of the Black Knight satellite began in 1954 when newspapers published statements from UFO researcher Donald Keyhoe, who claimed the U.S. Air Force had detected two unknown satellites orbiting Earth. At that time, no country had the technology to launch objects into space, leading to widespread curiosity and fear. These reports laid the foundation for what would later be known as the Black Knight satellite conspiracy. The Nikola Tesla connection. One of the earliest links to the Black Knight satellite is associated with the brilliant inventor Nikola Tesla. In 1899, Tesla claimed to have received strange radio signals at his Colorado Springs laboratory. He believed the signals were of extraterrestrial origin, possibly from Mars. Modern conspiracy theorists suggest that Tesla might have intercepted transmissions from the Black Knight satellite, which they argue was already orbiting Earth at the time. The polar orbit mystery. In 1960, the U.S. Navy detected an unidentified object in polar orbit, a feat no satellite had achieved yet. This object was neither Russian nor American, raising suspicions and sparking debates. Skeptics argued it was a fragment of space debris, possibly from a previous mission, but conspiracy theorists believed it was proof of the Black Knight satellite maintaining a calculated, intelligent orbit around the planet. The Duncan Lunnan theory. In the 1970s, Scottish astronomer Duncan Lunnan analyzed long-delayed radio echoes received in the 1920s. He speculated that the echoes were messages from an ancient alien probe orbiting Earth. By decoding the signals, he claimed they were a star map pointing to the Epsilon Bootis star system. This interpretation fueled the idea that the Black Knight satellite was an ancient messenger sent by an advanced civilization. The STS-88 Incident. In 1998, during the STS-88 Space Shuttle Endeavour mission, astronauts photographed a peculiar dark object floating above Earth. NASA explained it as a thermal blanket lost during a spacewalk, but the object's irregular shape and ominous appearance fueled conspiracy theories. The images quickly spread, cementing the belief that this was photographic evidence of the Black Knight satellite. Skepticism and debunking attempts. While the Black Knight satellite has captivated imaginations worldwide, skeptics argue that the phenomenon can be explained by a series of unrelated events and misinterpretations. The 1960 object was likely a lost satellite fragment, the Tesla signals were natural cosmic radio waves, and the STS-88 object was indeed a thermal blanket. Yet, the allure of the mystery persists. The legacy of the Black Knight satellite. Despite attempts to debunk the myth, the Black Knight satellite continues to be a topic of fascination. It represents the human quest for knowledge and the allure of the unknown. Whether an ancient alien probe, a Cold War relic, or simply space debris, the legend of the Black Knight satellite endures, sparking curiosity about humanity's place in the universe. Conclusion: mystery unresolved. The Black Knight satellite remains one of the most compelling space mysteries. With each new sighting and technological advancement, questions about its origin and purpose resurface. Is it an ancient guardian watching over humanity, or merely a shadow of our own imagination? The truth may be out there, still orbiting silently above us. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Stay informed.